Alam nyo, September 15, which is roughly around 20 days from now, may malaking panabla tayo. No? Granted po na humataw na ito pabasag dyan. Maganda-ganda kasing basagin niya, paakyat yan. Tingin ko itong space na to, this particular space that we're talking about here is gonna be dependent on what's going to be happening on September 15, which is the approval or passing of Clarity Bill. No? Kailangan gawin nila yan because from September 15 to November, that's the only time before they do on election. At it's gonna be a do or die. In fact, meron silang cloture request. No? It's gonna be the first topic of the day on the resume of, sa oras natin, September 16 po ito ng alas 2 ng umaga, Kamiranda. So ang mangyayari dito, pwedeng mangyari kapag hindi na aprubahan at nausog ang Clarity Bill, kahit umakyat tayo dito, sa palagay ko, dadaus-dos pa din tayo. Hindi pa din imposibleng dumaus-dos tayo, Kamiranda. There's still a possibility of this market dumping, which is, in my own words, ito yung panahon na huling buga, kumuha ng liquidity sa ilalim para itulak niya yan above 128,000. You need to remember, the market needs liquidity. It needs to liquidate people para mag-pump yan. Case in point, umakyat na nga dahil na-liquidate ang mga shorts. There was a liquidity in the market. So again, this particular yellow box is gonna be a driven by September 15, Kamiranda. Pag hindi po natuloy, titimbuang ang market price. You need to know that. Bakit? In this breakout, yung breakout na nakita nyo ngayon, bukod sa lahat ng sinabi ko, meron ding Trump na nag-push ng Clarity Bill. Di ba? Meron ding Fed doing buyback for treasuries. Those are unspoken realities on the stock market space.